Assalamualaikum students. Today I am going to explain you the numericals of this chapter, which we are studying chapter number 3. Number 1 numerical which is solved over here. You will see आप देख सकते हैं कि numerical solver आपको ये पता ही है कि there are the formulas which are used in this chapter like that speed का formula, velocity, acceleration, motion की तीनों equation. These are the equations and formulas which are used in these numericals. ठीक है बेटा. Number 1 जो आपके numerical है वो क्या है? Find the time taken by a sunlight to reach the garden if the distance between the sun and the earth is 1.5 meter. 1.5 exponent 8 kilometer. Velocity of light is 3 exponent 8 meter per second. ठीक है बेटा. Now you have firstly have to make the data. डाटा में आप क्या क्या चीज़ें पुट करते हो, जो चीज़ें आपके पास गिवन है डाटा कॉल्ड एज डाटा. एंड जो चीज़ आपको फाइंड आउट करनी है लाइक दैट आपके पास जो गिवन है वो है दैट इज द डिस्टेंस एस यू विल रिप्रेजेंट एज 1.5 एक्सपोनेंट 8 किलोमीटर. अच्छा, नाउ द किलोमीटर शुड बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू द मीटर. चूँकि आपके पास जो स्पीड डिस्टेंस का यूनिट है वो मीटर में होता है, तो आपको ये कन्वर्ट करना होगा मीटर. हाउ यू हैव गोइंग टू कन्वर्ट इट 1.5 एक्सपोनेंट 8 into 1000. If we do this, तो this is converted into the meter. Simply हमने इसको convert किया तो आपके पास speed आ गई. Then velocity is given 3 exponent 8 meter and meter per second, and the last one is the time is not given to you. ठीक है, simply आपने formula लगाया s is equals to vt. आपने t बाहर निकाला, t की आपने पूरी value put कर ली. 500 सेकेंड आया. 500 को 60 की 500 सेकेंड है तो हमने मिनट में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए 60 से डिवाइड किया तो आपके पास. Now we will talk about the numerical number 3.5. In numerical number 3.5, you have to find out the acceleration and distance covered by a body in 5 seconds. So you will put these formulas and you will find it. Numerical number 3.6, in the same way you have to find out the acceleration. You have to put these formulas and you will get the acceleration. 3.7, you will see it. You have to find the initial velocity. You will put these formula and you will find the initial velocity. 3.8, now there is certain difference between 3.8, that is you have to convert 72 kilometer per hour into the meter per second. I already told you about this, how you have to convert. Firstly you have to convert it, then put in the formula and write down the find out the answer. Now 3.9, in 3.9 what is the you have to find the distance covered by a body, but acceleration is not given, so you have to find out first the acceleration then the distance. Now number 3.10, the difference between the numerical number 3.10, इसमें क्या है? A stone is dropped from the top of the tower, taking 5 seconds to reach the ground. Calculate the height of the tower. This is related to the gravitational force. So you have to convert this equation like that, h is equals to vit plus half gt square. ठीक है. नाउ 3.11 में भी सेम चीज़ है, लेकिन यहाँ पे डिफरेंस क्या है? अ बॉल इज थ्रोन अपवर्ड. अगर बॉल ऊपर की तरफ जा रही है तो ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स नेगेटिवली एक्ट करेगी. दैट्स व्हाई यू विल टेक द ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स नेगेटिव. बाकी वही सेम फार्मूला पुट करके आप उसका जो टोटल टाइम है वो आप फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. Students, this is the numerical number 3.5. In this numerical you have to find out the acceleration and distance covered by a body in 5 seconds. So you have to put these two formulas, you will see that, and the formulas are given in this paper, and you will put these formulas. Simply these you will solve this question. Numerical number 3.6, in the numerical number 3.6 you have to find the acceleration, and the acceleration formula is a is equals to delta v upon t. You will solve this also. Now number 3.7, in 3.7 just one formula is given. You have to put this formula for finding the initial velocity whenever the motor car start moving. Final velocity is given, acceleration is given, time is given, so you have to find out the initial velocity. 3.8, now I am going to explain you the 3.8. A bus is moving with a velocity of 72 kilometer per hour. On the application of the breaker, it's stop after covering a distance of 5 meter. Calculate the acceleration. This is acceleration which is not properly given, acceleration produced by the breaker. Okay, for this you have to convert. Firstly you have to convert the initial velocity 72 into 1000 divided by 3600. So you will got the 20 meter per second. This is the initial velocity. Final velocity is 0 meter per second. Distance 500 meters. So and a is you want to find out the acceleration, so this formula is put and you will simply find out the answer of this numerical. Now numerical number 3.5, in the same way you will in the numerical number 3.5 you have to find out the distance covered by a car. You have to find out the distance, so acceleration is not given. Firstly you will find out the acceleration, then the distance on that. 3.10, numerical number 3.10, in the same way, but the difference is there. The stone is dropped from the top of the tower, taking 5 seconds to reach the ground. Calculate the height of the tower. जब gravitational force की बात आए तो हमारी जो 3 equations थी वो convert हो जाती हैं. कैसे? H is equal to VIT plus half GT square. You have to give the value of G, that is 9.8 or 10 meter per second. Okay, so you have to find out the distance in this way, because the body is dropping from the top towards the ground, so the gravitational force is acting on it, so you have to put this formula. 3.9. Now 3.11, numerical number 3.11. What you have to do in the numerical number 3.11, a stone is thrown vertically upward with a velocity of 20 meter per second. Find the maximum height reached by the stone at the total time of the flight. हम बात क्या कर रहे हैं? ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स के अगेंस्ट कोई चीज ट्रैवल कर रही है, ऊपर की तरफ जा रही है, ठीक है, तो ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स विल बी नेगेटिव. यहाँ पे हम ऊपर वाले जो न्यूमेरिकल नंबर 3.10 था, हमने उसमें नेगेटिव में नहीं लिया था, इसमें हम नेगेटिव में लेंगे, चूंकि बॉडी जो है वो ऊपर की तरफ थ्रो की जा रही है, और उसके बाद सिंपली वो उसी तरह से फॉर्मूला पुट होगा और आपके पास आंसर जो है वो आ जाएगा. Numerical number 3.13. The stone is dropped from the height of 40 meter. How much time will it take to reach the ground? अगर वो ground तक आ रहा है तो कितना time लेगा? So you have to find out the time. How you find out the time? By this formula, H is equal to VIT plus half GT square. In G you will put 9.8 or 10. Both are the correct. So you will find out the answer of this. And second, with what velocity will it strike the ground? You will simply find out the VF by putting VI plus GT. So this is that's all for today. These are all the numericals of this chapter.